So good. Oh, I love it.
I'm not a big creator on this app. Sometimes I don't think what I have to say is even that interesting. I mean, what is a 47-year-old doing on TikTok? That's a teacher. But sometimes people recognize it, and check this out. A company called Bastion saw what I do, they liked what I did, and they offered to send me a pen. So I'm gonna unbox it. It's like the day before my birthday. They didn't even know that. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice. So if you have been around my channel for a while, you know that I like nice things that are office supplies. Like I use fountain pens and all sorts of stuff. Write your own story. I'm on board. Ooh, this is nice. Good weight. Oh, come on, let's go. So I haven't even used this, but like, look at the clicky. It's a bolt action kind of a thing. Like, oh, so good. Oh, I love it. And apparently they use, yeah. So they use, this is branded Bastion, but it can fit a Parker inside if you're into that kind of a thing. I am. I really like reusable pens, so I'm really excited. Let's see how it writes. So right out the gate, I like that there's like a heft to the pen, and let's see. Oh, very buttery. Nice. So it's a ballpoint. Feels good, writes good. I'll keep you updated. I'll use it for about a week. But until then, like, thanks, Bastion. It's nice to be recognized. I appreciate you.